morning, class. So before we have a topic for today, please stand up for our prayer. May I call Mr. Dimanga for the Muslim prayer and Miss Ashley May for the Christian prayer. Once again, good morning, class. So, how is your day? Yes, good, wonderful, and exciting. Yes, dapat ma-excite kayo ngayong araw. So, before that, who is our secretary for today? Yes, Miss Jan. Is there any absent for today? Yes, none. For the perfect attendance, can you give me a 3 claps? So, yes, very good. So, class, is there any assignment that I give you? No? Okay, that's very good. So, before that, can you read our classroom rules? Yes. Did our classroom rules understandable? Yes. So, before that, let's have a motivational activity. So, I will group you into 2 groups. This side is group 1 and this side is group 2. So, each group have a strip of papers. So, kindly arrange them and each group have a one representative. So, I will give you 2 minutes. Yes, stand up or time's up. So, let's have group 1. Who is your presenter for group 1? Yes, Mr. Ben. And for the group 2? Yes, Miss Hadia. So, for the group 1, yes? Okay, thank you. For the group 2? Yes, thank you. So, class, did you enjoy our motivational activity? Yes, dapat ganyan. Ma-enjoy niyo talaga. So, let's have another activity. So, I will give you some papers, or I will show you some papers that tell me what can you observe it. Let's see. What can you observe it? So, class, did you observe anything in this picture? Yes, a planet. And a colorful. Have little stars. Yes, definitely. Yes. So, this picture has a beautiful planetary system. Yes, very good, class. So, did you enjoy our activity? Yes. So, did you notice any changes in our atmosphere or in our outer space? Yes, Miss Jen. Yes. How about different size? Sabi ni Miss Jen. And Mr. Angkay. Yes. Stars is different sizes and purposes. So before that, what is our activity for today? In our activity, is there any connection of it? Yes, star, beautiful star. Yes. So all of your answers are definitely correct. So before that, our topic for today is all about, yes, formation of stars. So before that, can you read our objectives? Yes. All of you, all of you. So, did our objectives understanding? Yeah. So, our topic for today is all about formation of stars. So, formation of stars is important in our galaxies because it is a very special purposes in our galaxies or our planet. Yes? What is the formation of stars? Firstly, paano siya nabuo? Mhm. Firstly, paano ba nabuo yung formation of stars? We have protostars. So, protostar is a combination of dust and little particles of molecules that comes in collision of other stars. So, yun yung protostar. Kumbaga guys, nanggaling siya sa mga maliit na particles na naguho or kumbaga is sumabog na stars. Doon siya nagsistart na mabuo yung protostars natin. Yes? Mr. Angkay, did you parang may gusto kang sabihin, yes? Very good. So, sabi ni Angkay, yes, yung stars daw has very unique skills in our planetary motion. So, very good. Let's have a 3 clap for Mr. Angkay. Yes. So, before that, did you understand our topic for today? Yes? Yes. So, if ever na-understand nyo yung topic natin ngayon, so, is there anyone recapitulate or summarize our topic for today? Yes, Mr. Asi, can you summarize it, our formation of the star? Yes, formation of star, we have protostar. Ano pa? Yan, the Big Bang, yung mga planetary motion. Yes, very good, Asi, very good. So, I hope na natutunan, na-understand nyo yung ating topic for today. So, for our evaluation, anyone or everybody, please read. Yes. Okay, so true or false, and write in 1/4 sheet of paper. So, pass it in tomorrow. Tomorrow na lang. So, for our assignment, research some purposes of galactic activities in our formation of stars. So, yan yung ating assignment. So, pass it in tomorrow for another evaluation or research. So, I hope class, you understand our topic for today. So, yes, please kindly stand up ulit. Yes, goodbye class. So, goodbye class and thank you for your time and dismiss.